Peace, everyone. Welcome back to FavorFlowRestorative, where we unleash harmony, mind, body, and soul. We're gathering today to release a visualization meditation of growth and restoration. We invite you to find a comfortable, quiet space where you can sit or lie down without any distractions. We invite you to close your eyes and take some time to take a few deep breaths. The intentions of this breath is to allow you to begin to fully relax. And with each breath, release tension, allowing yourself to do a body scan and breathing into any space and place that may hold tension, that may hold pain, that may hold any discomfort. As you bring your awareness to the present moment. Now, as you settle into this peaceful space, I invite you to visualize a powerful tree. This is the tree of life. And this tree represents your own journey, grounded in the wisdom of your past, yet so open to transformation and renewal. Begin to imagine the roots of the tree extending deep into the earth. This represents your past. Allow yourself to feel the connection to your history, the experiences, and all of the lessons that have shaped you. Each one of these roots carries the wisdom of those who came before you. And the soul beneath you holds all the stories and experiences that make you exactly who you are today. Now, with each breath, allow yourself to acknowledge your past, the challenges, and the growth they've nourished and nurtured. Allow yourself to feel gratitude for the foundation that these roots provide. Now shift your attention to the trunk of the tree. See how strong and resilient it is, how it stands tall, because this represents your present self. The trunk is the space where you are now. It embodies the strength you have gained from your past. Now, from this trunk, the branches stretch out, reaching towards the future. And each branch represents the different paths you can take, the opportunities for transformation, for growth, and for healing that currently await you. As you breathe deeply, imagine each branch growing in harmony with your intentions. Let the branches symbolize your commitment to cultivating change. Let the branches symbolize your commitment to understanding. Let the branches symbolize your commitment to healing in your life and in your relationships. Now bring your attention to the leaves of the tree as they are so vibrant and so full of life. These leaves represent the new beginnings you are creating in this very moment. They shimmer with the light of hope. They shimmer with renewal. And they shimmer with possibility. Now visualize as butterflies gently fly around the tree, symbolizing metamorphosis. These butterflies are the reminders that transformation is always within your reach. Just as the caterpillar transforms into something entirely new, you too have the power to evolve and grow. Now imagine the sound of gentle bells ringing, their vibration carrying through the air, reaching every corner of your being. Feel the resonating sound as it clears away negativity, as it heals any wounds, and as it brings peace to your mind, body, and spirit. The healing sounds of the meditation bowls create a wave of energy that flows through you, restoring balance, and calm. Allow this sound to help you to release any lingering tension, bringing you into a state of deep relaxation and openness. And with each note, feel yourself growing more grounded, more centered, and more aligned with your true self. As you continue to breathe deeply, reflect on the interconnectedness of your past, your present, and your future. Recognize that your personal journey is a part of a larger community, one that fosters healing, accountability, and empathy. Take this moment to think of the ways in which you have healed, the relationships you have built, and the community bonds you've formed. We invite you to ask, what are the areas of your life that you feel called to nurture and transform? How can you contribute to the growth and healing of those around you? Because just as the tree offers shelter and nourishment to the world around it, your thoughts, your actions create a ripple impact to the community that surrounds you. As we bring this meditation to a close, we invite you to take a moment to express gratitude for the wisdom, for the growth, and for the healing that you carry within you. Visualize your tree strong, thriving, and ever growing, rooted in the lessons of the past, but reaching boldly towards the future. And now, with one final deep breath, we invite you to set your intention to move forward with clarity, compassion, and an open heart. Know that the capacity for transformation is always within you, and that each moment offers the chance for renewal. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and take with you the peace, strength, and inspiration that you have gained from this visualization meditation. May you continue to flow in favor, and so it is. Peace.